Yo, what's up, people? How you all doing? Alright, so as you can see, I'm tongue tied, unpackaging this, unboxing or unpackage. I would flip it over the other side, but I can't because it has my address on it, people. That's right. So what I'm gonna do is try to open this with one goddamn bloody hand. Alright. Now here's the trick in doing it. Hang on. Right. I gotta find out. Oh shit, you almost saw my address, people. I don't want stalkers. I mean, I wouldn't mind a stalker, but like, you know, if you're gonna come down, then like wear something like nice and like, no, actually don't. Right, okay, this is so freaking hard, people. So, hang on, I'm gonna freaking, hang on, hold up, people. I got stuck in my teeth, right? Alright, and then ta-da! So basically what it is, as you can see here, it's a SanDisk micro SDHC card, basically. That's what it is. And it's 16 gig. Oh shit, I haven't used a camcorder in a very long time, so excuse me guys. So 16 gigabytes, and I actually paid £5.49 for this. It's for my phone, and it's also going to be for this camcorder as well. It's not the best camcorder in the world, but hey, it's something, right? I can record. Once I start making some YouTube monies, I mean, once I hit my 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours they're asking me, then I might be eligible to get paid. So yeah, but yeah, I got this. Very cheap price. I was gonna get a 32 gigabyte. Now check this out. The 32 gigabyte is only $7.99, but I didn't want it because last time I got one, it actually didn't work. I don't know why. It wasn't compatible with the device I was using. I don't know, right? So what I did after is I got an 8 gigabyte, and guess what? It worked. So I thought I kind of, you know, get this one. Only because it's almost the same price. If I get the 8 gigabytes, it's $4.99. So if, you know, so why not pay a bit extra for almost £6 and get 16 gigabytes? I mean, it's logical sense, man. All right. So anyway, here we are, and I'm gonna turn it over. You got all the blah blah blah. It's in this packaging. Surprisingly, it's not from China. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna hang on. Again, use my teeth, you know. Right, you know, like this. Look at that! Look at that, people! And look at my skills. Did you just see that? See, boom, boom, and bam, right in my hand. See? Oh man, haters gonna hate. Right. So as I'm gonna zoom in, hang on. Let me just zoom in. That's upside down now. There we go. Oh shit, it's a bit freaking heck, it's a bit dark, isn't it? The lighting is so bad here, people. Look, 16 gigs. There we go. And that's it. Leave a like, comment down below, blah blah blah, and all that. You know the drill, guys. Okay, hang on. You know what? Before I do that, before I do anything, I need to freaking take it out. Hang on. Let me take it. Oh my lord. You know what? How do I open this? Hang on people. I'm gonna freaking open this. Man, I wish I had nails right now. Right, there we go. Look at that. And then you fuck. Right. Well, that fucking worked. I'm just gonna use I don't have fucking long nails. Right, enough swearing. Try and keep it PG, people. Okay, you know what? Here, there's a bloody freaking card, alright? Anyway, guys, peace.